Mr. Gill's revision egg.
Okay, lesson 2 from our egg. Right, we're going to split the egg at this point into its different components. Now, if you've done food tech, you should know very easily how to do this. We want to split this into white and yolk. So I'm just going to let the white dribble off into this glass. And I'm going to put the yolk in that one there. Okay? I'm going to pop the shell in over there for later. Okay, so what can you tell about an egg just from doing that? Well, you should be able to see that this yolk here, if I get my close-up camera, this yolk is a beautiful yellow colour, okay? It's a really, really deep yellow. And where does that yellow come from? Well, if you buy battery eggs or factory farmed eggs, they won't necessarily be that yellow. And I can show you an example of a friend of mine who keeps her own chickens and just how yellow, the deep colour the yolks of those eggs are. That actually comes from their diet. So free range chickens get more access to scratching around and eating a variety of different food sources from the grass around them. And if they do that, they take in pigments called lutein and zeaxanthin. Okay, and those are what give the eggs their yellow colour. Very similar chemicals to the ones that give carrots their orange colour. And you might even get, if you get exceptionally good, exceptionally free range eggs, orange yolks. If you keep the chicken in a battery, only feed it grain, low in those resources, then the yolk will be very pale in colour. And this is because of digestion and absorption. So they eat the food, they digest the food, and they absorb those pigments into their bloodstream, which get round to the ovaries where the eggs are produced. And of course, you are expected to know exactly how digestion and absorption works as part of your A-level syllabus. So what we can take away from this is the food you eat, a vivid example of the food you eat getting directly into an animal product. Okay, so that's via the gut wall, via absorption of those pigments into the bloodstream. You're obviously expected to know how absorption of the basic things like amino acids, carbohydrates, fats works, and that's the point of this lesson.
Mr. Gill's revision egg.